The Logitech RS50 is their new mid-range wheel. They've been doing G27, G29, and a bunch before that. Entry-level wheels, great quality wheels, but not hardcore sim wheels. They did the G Pro, and now we've got their mid-range. This is still pretty awesome though, RS50. My buddies convinced me to get this because I've been doing some LAN parties at their house. They have a G Pro and an RS50. It is an excellent wheel. I can already say that, even though I'm doing a quick little show you what's in the box. Let's have a look and I'll give you some thoughts of what I've learned from using them from a short period of time. We open it up, we've got lots of cool little instructions here. Nice diagrams, and right at the top we've got the wheel, right? So this wheel, and this is the hub assembled. These do come apart. You can buy these separate. You can buy just the hub and have your Formula One style, no top and bottom, or you can have the full hoop. Next, we have the wheel base. This is what they call the base, right? Nice packaging, pretty cool. Nice class, I'll have to keep those for rags. Check that out, wheelbase. It has a little OLED display on top, which controls quick functions, torque, and lots of other hot functions, lots of stuff. True force, that whole deal can be controlled through the wheel. As a start stop button, true force is awesome. My friend has a butt kicker and the G Pro and a full frame rig, so a big aluminum frame, the Instagram fancy stuff. Then we have one of these on a fold-up frame. This is awesome on a fold-up frame because the True Force rumbles the whole thing. It's because it's lighter and it's not dampening those things. You end up with a weirdly haptic through your butt sensation because this shakes it so hard, even though it's through your hands. It gives you that sensation, which I thought was kind of cool. What we got next? So this is the PlayStation kit, and the PlayStation kit comes with these two pieces, and it comes with this little table clamp. Actually, I believe this is a part that slides onto this. No, I'm wrong. This is part of the table clamp, but it does come with the table clamp. That's half of the table clamp, and these little brackets so you can bolt it to table, your little rig, or your hardcore rig, whatever you have. Power cables, pretty standard, right? What's next here? We have the other half of your table clamp. This is fun. You know, a lot of people take these around and move them around. Especially this is the PlayStation version. You can take it to if you have a cabin or a friend's house or another family member's house. You can take it with them, and you might want this clamp, right? You might one of these days. You might, even if you have a hardcore sim rig at home, you might want this. Might save you one of these days. So it's fun that they include it with the kit. You can buy it all separate online. It is slightly cheaper if you buy it all separate, and you can get just a PC. You can get PC Xbox, PC PlayStation, so you can mix and match. But I like this kit. It gives you the option to do iRacing, gives me the option to do GT7 with a VR headset. So this was the one for me. And right now, so Canadian, this is like $1,000 I think, but I paid 800 plus tax. So it's an expensive wheel, but I think it's good quality stuff, and I was sold on it. So here we are. I'm not the price I think is fair for what you get. And here's your power brick, right? So I said this is both power cables. This is a USB cable. This is the other side of your power cable. Some cute little stickers, right? You can if you have key bindings, I'm sure you can stick these on the wheel to remember what all the key bindings are, because there's a lot of buttons on this that you can bind to whatever you want on PC, or you have your PlayStation controls already all put on it. Here's everything laid out. This is the fun part. We got the wheelbase, direct drive, 8 Newton meters. This is their RS50. This is their fun mid-range. I think this is the budget option. I'm really a budget guy, maximize your money type person, as I'm sure a lot of you are. This is the one for me. Excellent wheelbase, really cool haptics with the True Force. Your wheel rim and your hub, right? Which I should mention, this is a quick release. Snaps on and off, nice that front hub there. This feels automotive quality, right? I drive lots of cars, and I've been in race cars, we'll call them. Quick release wheels on a real car feel really close to this. That's pretty fun. And you bolt this to a hardcore sim rig, and you get the hardcore sim experience. It feels solid. and this feels crazy high quality. The motor is beautiful. I'm a big RC car person. You can tell this is a nice brushless motor inside. You got your table clamp for your buddy's house, or to get you going when, if maybe you're hoping to get a rig in the future. I mean, a full frame table clamp is going to be good. This feels pretty robust. It just looks quite a bit more robust than like a G29, for example. Nice quick setup. And this bolts to the wheelbase, or the wheelbase uses these little adapters and bolts to your rig, whatever you have on the go. Last thing I didn't mention, you have a little hardware bag here. This is your hardware to bolt it up to whatever you got, right? So you got this nice little baggie of screws and hardware, right? A couple Allen keys if you don't have them. 3 Allen keys actually, pretty cool. That's a quick little overview. Whoop, one washer running away, caught it. Thanks for watching. This is just a little get me into the video flow, and if you guys are wondering what's in the box, you've been trying to watch every video on there like you do when you're excited about a new product, here's another one. Thank you for watching.